Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, my dear friends, we'll learn how to add channel keywords and channel tags in few seconds. Let's start. First of all, if you on your mobile, open your YouTube channel in Chrome and set the Chrome as desktop site. If you are on laptop or computer, you open your YouTube channel in every X. First of all, I am on desktop computer. I open my Google Chrome, click on it. There, there I type YouTube and click OK. Here my YouTube channel open. There are my YouTube channel icon. Click on it. Channel bar displayed before you. There you find your channel. Click on it. After clicking, you see your YouTube channel page. There are a lot of icons displayed: channel logo, channel name, customize channel, and YouTube Studio. We click on YouTube Studio. After clicking YouTube Studio icon, there are displayed a channel dashboard page. My channel dashboard page displayed before you. Bottom of this page you can see setting icon. Click on it. After clicking, setting dialog box opened. Setting dialog box, there are few icons: journal, channel, uploads, defaults, permission, community. We find channel and click on channel. The channel setting open. There you can see channel name and keywords. In keyword box you type your keywords and then save. After saving, your keywords saved. I have already typed and saved my keywords. I press on cancel, which are helpful to increase the ranking of your channel. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Allah Hafiz.